Parse parser hacking, building a bread parser to handle operation. That's good. But per parser is no joke. I'm making my own parser right now, so yeah. Also, I'm gonna set the volume to something like this. Way too less isn't good either. Then I'm gonna go to music. Is there something that is good for programming? Not sure what kind of genre it is, but looking for a song. It's going to be ideal for a scenario when you're programming. So right now, party feel good. I think I'll try feel good. Confident throwback. Maybe something from here itself, or maybe yeah, this one. Okay. So super equal if so this function, right? This function is going to check. It's a equals function. What it's gonna do is it's gonna compare with another item data if it is of the same type. So we're checking if the item we're comparing and the item that we're comparing against, those two items are same or not. Yeah, so yeah. The song is ass. Attaching two items. Okay. You can do a while. Stack is empty, it's false. We can do that. So while the stack is not empty, okay. What do we do when the stack is not empty? We are gonna check current. So we can do current tuple is equals to stack the pop. It's gonna give us the latest item that we're looking for. So once we have that, we're gonna compare the two classes. We're gonna compare the classes, the properties. Okay, so we can do a current tuple dot the value, right? So it's gonna be the first one. So what we can do is we can check the class first. Or if you want, you can even add a lock just to be safe, you know. So we can do a UV lock. We can do lock temp. This can be just a normal lock. You can add a tag. And in a minute, let me just bring my keyboard up. Gosh, it's stuck up here. Something's wrong with my tricep. It hurts. Hurts as if I was working out yesterday, but I don't remember. Oh yeah, I did work out yesterday. Yeah. Okay, so what we're doing right now is you want to print a %s weapon comparison. Comma, and we can do a first dot with class, then a second dot with class. So this is gonna do comparison. What is it saying? Class. Okay, we're gonna do a toString. Is there no toString? in here, then we're gonna do that. Also, now we don't want to do this. It's gonna be quite some time, but we want to do the same thing for the second one. Wait a minute, no, it's fine, because we're just checking at the very top. Things big bold. Children. Every okay, yeah, so I think it's gonna be it for the equals function. Fine, I would say. It's not an issue. The weapon item data is done, which means that we now have a way to compare weapons. So every weapon that we pick up should be different. The second thing that I would like to do is to add icons here. Generated from the class where we from check it out. Get a description. Okay, so this is different. It's one class. Where does this start? In here, we can pass in the owner or the character that fired this weapon. Call this instigator. So we have this on fire function. So by default, it's not going to do anything. Let's call this native event, but we can override this one, which already made it. So if we do this, we can override this in any of the barrels and everything. So what I think we should do is we can play some animations and everything if we really want to. And but something that we could do is we have this magazine, right? Magazine, it has a ammo count if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is the C++ again. Fuck me, why am I always in the C++? Capture the people weapon part. The magazine, right? Okay, so we have this. So we are gonna override on fire. Gising na.
Lockdown 2020 was ya Pak. Ini rilis 2020.
Baru 2020
Pak, September 2020.
Oh, baru 9th Jan. Berarti buat 2021 release-nya boleh.
Aman same nih.
9th.
After COVID in 2020 ya dah. Hah? Ini 2020.
Berubah. So there's a function for us to check. I'm thinking to add a function to check if we can fire or not. So we can use that functionality to check. We don't need this. We have the incomplete function, something like that. Yeah, I think we're good to go. This complete function is more than enough to do what it needs to be done. We can have a muzzle, the magazine guards muzzle, right? Muzzle can also do this function. Figure out if there's anything left. Grip, nope. We can add a list. We can actually add a list to specify what do you call that? The muzzle flash socket. You can also specify this thing. What do you call it? The array of diagram. Also, this reminded me I was supposed to add a picture in here. Okay, it's done. What's it gonna do? So this magazine and puzzle, if it's done, don't really have to worry about anything at all. So as for the other parts, right? You're storing the barrel. Up. So what I think we should be doing is we can have another variable. Yeah. Yeah. We need to have data. As stuff. It's gonna be funny. And so this is going to be the weapon property that's gonna be used as a child, and this is the one that's gonna be updated every single time. Okay, so we have our function, right? Update weapon data, and here instead of looking every single time, instead of child part, data as child, it's gonna be data as parent. Okay, and it's gonna be update weapon property called. We have the parent, we have set it, we're gonna set it as a parent. So every time a new parent is added, this is the variable that's gonna get updated, and it's it's not gonna change anything in that child, so we should be good. We should be absolutely good. So we can also do a to-do for the name thing. We can update name. So as when it comes to name, right? What should we do? I'm thinking what should we do? So when we are adding a weapon part to this weapon tree, right? We have two options. We can either reset the name every single time we add a new weapon part, or we can keep it as it is. Right. So we have two options to go about this. Okay. It's done. So I think should be good to go. So by default, let's set the name of the open property to none or something like that. Every single child and check if parent dot realize something. We should have done this way sorry child and procedural weapon, so it's gonna be so we're iterating every single parent call. Okay. for now, let's just do the also, we gotta reset every single time we do this. If it's empty, we want to update the name. So we can do that by adding, if it is empty, or something like that. So the name is going to get updated every time. And there's a new part to this. But it's gonna get annoying if we have to do that. We're gonna have a bool called name set. Will need to be public. Oh my gosh, dude, I just realized it's gonna be a pain in the fucking ass. You can't store it in here. Definitely cannot store it in there. Need something else. It's best to store here. current child we're iterating dot r dot kukolony, yeah.
Man, I swear that she can get it.
What's happening, dude? So yeah, when we set our weapon tree name, this is gonna be okay. So we can have another function. It's gonna be callable. So this should be able to set the weapon. Let's have a look at what we did, okay? Every time a new weapon is added, this function is going to get called, and it's gonna reset the properties, and then it's gonna call this function again and again and again. So the weapon should be always updated. But what you need to do is do one thing. That is, have to add this stack. So instead of have a stack. So for every single child of the stack, that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so we're gonna pop it, and this for loop, right? This single child we have, this is gonna go inside. we are doing everything pretty much correctly. What we need is to add this child instead. This is good enough. Okay, so it's gonna keep on calling these functions, and when we want to update our weapon tree part, so we're gonna call this function. This function it's gonna set both of these values. It's gonna be private, I guess. Doesn't really matter. Generate inventory item data. So at the very top, and here we can do a name. Is equals to food, right? that's good. I'm so confused.
For our story of suspense tonight, we invite you to enjoy The Devil in the Summer House by John Dixon Carr.
Oh, my dear good friend, I know how much you loved her. Loved her? She was my heart, my soul, my very life.
What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing to do. What a wonderful thing to do. What a wonderful thing.
Start rolling everything up. Fire function that
What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing to do.
parent this way, so I think it's looking good. We're always updating the parents one, so we can call this directly if we need to. This should be all fine and on fire. It's going to call this has to be implemented. Do not call directly. Actions by this system. By the time this is being built, we can create our function library to handle this. So right, we don't need private actors, functions, interaction. We can add a new folder called weapon or something. And then this weapon. We're gonna be handling our function library, yeah, just like that. Google, add a new one before. Sorry, it's gonna be a kukolony weapon base. You can do a stack dot push and push the parent as the first element. So while the stack is not empty, we're gonna keep iterate this loop, and every single loop we're gonna get the current item by popping the stack, current weapon, and we're gonna do a stack dot pop. It's gonna give us the latest item, and once we have the latest item, what we want to do is we want to call the current weapon dot on fire function. This is gonna, and we're gonna pass in our firer in case they need it. So after we do that, we have to iterate every single child of this dot procedural component dot children, and we want to do a for each for this function. So every we gotta do a for loop and iterate every single weapon, and for every single child we want to do a stack dot push. We want to push the child dot key value, sorry, and so it's gonna get pushed in here. Dot get owner, and this owner has to then toss it to a weapon base. So yes, there we go. I think that's gonna be it. away. Yeah, pretty much a lot of things have been done. Oh, basically they're still up, but I do later on. Ah. While this is happening, I think we should be good. And 3 days. What did we update in here? This anymore. But add the modules.
Tambayang sana.
Masih seperti sana gitu. So we have a microsystem, right? What we're gonna do is so because I think there's a lot of things. Whoa, whoa, whoa.